Let's see what these look like. Flip that one around. Oh, man.
That's to the metal, bro.
That's what ate up our rotors.
That's crazy.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on a 2002 Toyota Tundra. And for a quick story here, this thing has been wrecked twice. One time when I was pulling my Jeep right over there. But check out the beautiful BMWs. And my brother must have been burning some rubber. Check this out. Oh yeah, look at that. He's got a spare tire on. I did have to go out and rescue him. He shot his tire out, but today we're gonna go ahead and replace our brakes and rotors on the Toyota Tundra. I did end up breaking this line right over here. When I got the pipe wrench on it, those are torqued down really good. And when I tried breaking that, I ended up breaking one of my fittings and brake fluid just went all over the place. But we got all that repaired and this thing has been beast. It's towed so many cars for us. So we are running the drum brakes in the back. That's kind of different for me, but for now we're going to go ahead and service our front brakes. So let's go ahead and check out what we got. You're funny.
Man, I'm ready to see these drilled and slotted. Ooh, they feel pretty darn heavy.
Man, I carried that with one hand all the way up the driveway. Because Bruno was out there when the UPS guy was out there.
Whoa, woo! Man, these things look sick.
Check those out. That's going to be a nice upgrade for this good old Tundra.
Man, dude, these things are sick. Check these brakes out.
Check out what these are about.
Ceramic, check that out.
They're pretty much the same on the Sequoias, but you do have to measure out your brake pads. Make sure you got the 5.5 inch. Hopefully those will work. Man, those are going to do so much better with the drilled and slotted rotors.
Oh yeah, I'm going to go ahead and bring that toolbox out and get this done.
Before we install our new brake pads, we are going to have to depress our cylinders. And these are pretty big right here. There's 4 of them, and they're definitely not going to fit on our new rotors. So let's get that done. We're not really going to replace our pins. I think those are fine for now. After all, the truck does only have 170,000 miles. That's nothing for a Toyota.
Dang, this one's stuck.
Should have cleaned it up a little bit.
Let's tap on it some more.
There you go. Let's see what these look like. Flip that one around. Oh, man.
That's to the metal, bro.
That's what ate up our rotors.
That's crazy.
This one right here has a little bit more. But yeah, we've been just treating this truck kind of bad. Since we don't have the tool, we're just going to go ahead and use our brake pad to squeeze our cylinders in. And with our brake line off and not any pressure on them, they should just go right in. There we go.
Oh man.
We got some more fluid coming out. Go ahead and squeeze those right in.
Let's go ahead and squeeze all this stuff on this rocks.
Oh man.
Oh, man, she's squirting.
So much easier with the line off and not even any pressure on the caliper. Those are going to fit right in. All right, guys, so we just made it back from the local parts store. We had to get some new brake pads. The ones that we ordered were not the correct ones. And we're also going to be replacing some of our studs. Those are kind of stripped out and very hard to tighten. So let's get this done and get this side ready to go.
Oh yeah, check this out, man. Look at that.
Put some more brake fluid in it because we did lose a bit taking this caliper off, and then we'll be ready to go.
Let's get it done.
So we got the passenger side all done. Now we're gonna go ahead and take care of the driver's side. And we are having to work out here in the night, but not a problem, man. We've already got our brake fluid all topped off. And the reason why we parked the truck like this was because I wasn't really sure if we had to replace our rotors or not. And we got our brake pads in from the local store. So let's go ahead and take care of the driver's side, and then we'll be ready to bleed our brakes. It's gonna be a little bit trickier on the driver's side since we still have the caliper on and attached to our brake line, but pretty much we're just gonna depress all 4 cylinders so that we can get our new brake pads on the new rotors.
But check this out. As long as we got this one in the back holding the pins in, I think it'll work.
So we are missing the center spring right there. Apparently he said it was missing before he disassembled everything. We do have that rear pin in, and that's gonna hold both the pins in on the caliper or on the brakes. O'Reilly should have that right there.
There we go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just the hardware for the brake. That's no problem.
So honestly, tell us, did you lose it or was it missing?
It was missing.
Oh,
as soon
okay.
as I disassembled it, it was missing. I did not see it on there. So on the other side, you can go look.
Yeah, not a big deal. Well, let's go ahead and get that rotor back on.
Do it, man. I'm ready to get this truck.
I'm ready to get this truck out of the way.
Yes, sir.
Damn, we're just working right in the night. Look at that, pitch black outside. But you know what? We gotta have our brakes. Whoosh! That looks nice and shiny right there. I can't wait to see how these perform. The drilled and slotted versus the stock OEM. Dang, this guy right here is a professional.
Oh yeah, man.
And then you want to reassemble the brake caliper.
Honestly,
Dang,
really
that
nothing
thing-
to it. Yeah, as long as you have those cylinders depressed, man, that thing just slides on there like butter.
That's what I'm saying, man. No force at all. What's up, guys? Next day here, and last night we got the front brakes bled, and we had to change a couple of studs. Just one on this side, a couple on that side. They were a little stripped out. Not sure how well the camera picked it up, but now let's go ahead and throw the wheels back on it and go for a rip. Check out what came in, our Mishimoto fans for the Mazda. So let's go ahead and get this done.